and I can see the timer cards as well. Rachna, as you all might be knowing me, but very less few members call me also Rasna, Rachu, Rach. But today, let me tell you, I am also the roly poly, the internet trolling trend going on these days. Well, it all began when the lockdown started. I used to barely step out of the house, only once in a month probably, when it was the salary day to get the money from the ATM. Well, gradually, work from home got onto me, and I slowly started bulging like a balloon. Each day, my mother used to tell me, "Look at you. Today you look like a cylinder. Today you look like a balloon. And today you look like a zorbing balloon." Well, the next month when I went to ATM, I realized that I could barely see my feet and wear my chappals. And the next step I took down, I started rolling. Oh well, I had to roll over on the street and reach the ATM. Then I realized I started really enjoying rolling. It is a roller coaster ride all over, I tell you. And I thought I should enhance my skills. So I was starting to enhance my skills and learn how to roll. I folded my legs, roll overhead. Then I tried rolling side by side. The fun was that even in the lockdown, when there were rules that only two people in auto, only four people in car, it never bothered me because I used to just cuddle myself and just roll over. And to add to this, all my shopping skills during work from home and lockdown helped me because it fetched me the bubble wrap papers. So I designed beautiful dresses and outfits also so that I can wear them and just show off on the streets. And yes, I learned lessons also that while on road, we should wear helmet also. Safety first. And also we don't want a traffic ticket, right? No helmet, you're on road. No, we don't want that. So as and when time went, I saw that many people are taking up educational courses and earning a lot of money also. I decided to get my YouTube channel called the Roly Poly, and I shared educational videos. What happens when you roll overhead? What happens when you roll over shoulders, sideways? How to honk people? Side ho ja, side ho ja. How should they know that you're rolling around, right? And also, you should wear the mask. Safety first. Never break the lockdown rules. And slowly this skill enhanced, and the web applications like Edureka or Udemy, they started making up my educational videos and I started becoming famous. Well, infamous because I used to wear the bubble wrap and never know, people never know me that the roly poly was me. And slowly education in the educational videos there used to be some little ads. Every 10 seconds of my video there used to be an ad of 30 seconds, and guess what, who was the sponsor? Elon. Our Elon, the electric man, he wanted to meet me. And, he made a proposal. Well, I'm not talking of the personal one. I am talking about the professional one. He had an idea that you are a person who are very down to earth. You just roll over. And I am a person who wants to go up in the sky. Why not collaborate? I gave it a thought, but I was reluctant. I don't want to be in so much media and all. But one day, he gifted me these wings. He said, "I will give you the lovely flight. You roll over, and my ideas and my love for you, we will just roll and roll and roll." And that is why I remember that it is always said that roly poly, down, 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 roly poly, up, up, up. And to give you an inside story, we are coming up with a venture called Roly Poly Travelers. Well, I am trying myself that I could roll on over a Bermuda Triangle for a takeoff because I need really huge space where I need no people right now because it's in a testing phase, and I want to roll over and we will be trying to launch myself in the space, and I want to compete with the rockets which Elon is trying to make, and we will try to roll over Mars and roll over all ways everywhere. But to know more updates, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button down there so that you get the notifications, and roly poly, keep on rolling, guys. Over to you.